Welcome to Simple Software Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a line across the page in Word. And I'm actually going to show you 3 easy methods. The first way is the fast AutoFormat trick. And you may have done this accidentally. This you do by simply typing 3 hyphens, that's the key next to the 0. 1, 2, 3, press Enter, and there's your line. Now to undo that, you can click Control Z or the undo button, or you can just backspace and it'll delete that. Now there's some other styles you can try as well, like if you wanted a thick line, you can do underscore, which is the same key, just hold down Shift and 3 underscores, press Enter, there you go. So you can delete it that way. Or if you wanted a dotted line, you can type 3 asterisks and enter, and there you go. Now, if this is not working, or if you don't want this to happen, I've got a information here on where to find the settings for that, and then it'll also be in the blog post linked in the description below this video. So that's method 1. Method 2 is using the Borders button. So to do this, go to the Home tab, locate the Borders button, click the arrow next to it, and then select Horizontal Line. So this inserts a line on your page right here, and what you can do is click on it to select it, then double click to open settings, and from here you can manage the settings. So if you wanted it a little bit bigger, you can make it bigger right here, or if you want to change the color, you can add a color here, like if I want a red line. Once you've made your choices, click on OK, and there you go. Pretty easy. Now the last one is just drawing a line with shapes. So to do this, go up to the Insert tab up here, then under Shapes, locate Lines, click on Lines. Now you can either just drag it out, but it might not go in straight. So what I like to do is I like to hold down the Shift. So I'm going to click on Lines, I'm going to press Shift, and then I'm going to drag it across. Now see, it keeps the line going straight here. If you want to make some changes, they're right up here in the Shape Format tab that automatically opens when I add the shape. So if I wanted to make some changes, I can click on Shape Outline. If I want to make it thicker, I can change the weight here. If I want to change the color, I can choose a color from here. So you've got all sorts of different options. And that's it. That's 3 simple ways to insert a line across the page in Word. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials and visit simplesoftwaretutorials.com for step-by-step guides and free resources. Thanks for watching.